Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to make this adorable patriotic banner for your home decor. For this banner, I am using 5 different ribbons and I've cut 4 pieces of each ribbon 6 inches long. So 6-inch piece, I'm going to fold it in half on one end so that I can cut like a dovetailed end. So I'm going to fold it in half and cut at an angle. And then we're going to leave the other end flat because that's the top of it that's going to go around the twine. So I have a whole roll of twine and I'm going to roll up a little bit so I have extra space on the sides to hang it with. And I'm just going to pick a random spot and I'm going to start. You're going to want to fold the flat end about an inch like this. And we're gonna put the twine in that flap and use hot glue to just glue it shut. I only use a little bit of glue because I don't want it to accidentally seep through the ribbon and show on the front of the banner. So I'm just doing a little line, pinching it shut. And I did not put the glue on the twine because I want to be able to slide each pennant like side to side, depending on where I want to hang it. That way I can like space it out bigger. I can put them closer together. So now we're going to move on to our next ribbon and we're going to do the same exact thing again. Fold it over about an inch, glue it. Biggest thing is to make sure that you have the front side of the ribbon facing the same direction as you make these. So I have the front side facing down and the back side of the ribbon facing up. So you just want to make sure whatever way you decide to do it, that you're doing it the same so you don't have a ribbon that is backwards. So like I said, I have 5 pieces of ribbon and I cut 4 6-inch pieces of each of those ribbons. This amount of ribbon makes a banner that is about 6 feet long. So if you want it shorter, you can use less ribbon or you can use more ribbon and make it longer. And like I said, these will slide on the twine. So you can hang it up in a bigger area if you'd like. For this banner, I used all just 2.5-inch width ribbon. You can easily use 4-inch wide, 3-inch, you could use 1.5 inches. You can mix and match. These banners are a great way to use extra scraps that you have laying around. This is usually the best way for me to use up ribbons that I do not use on my wreaths. All right, so this is what it should look like. You can always fray check your edges if you're using a ribbon that frays. But yeah, super easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.